This young student is using the lathe machine completely wrong and without any safety precautions. Because of the excessive and unbalanced force he applies, the tool slips from his hand and wraps around his foot. Luckily, his friends rush to help him immediately. A worker intervenes in a malfunctioning paper winding machine, acting carelessly and in a rush, completely disregarding his own safety. As the paper builds up, he gets caught in the machine, leading to nothing but a tragic ending. Once again, we see a careless worker who completely disregards his own safety. No matter the job, you must always stay alert in the face of danger. This worker, without paying attention, was working right next to a winding machine, and suddenly his foot got caught in a rotating rope on the ground. It must have been extremely painful. See you in the next video.